Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for PowerShares QQQ Trust. The report was first published on our website Tuesday, May 3, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell PowerShares QQQ Trust? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF with a -3.135 score, and our system has ranked PowerShares QQQ Trust sell candidate since April 26, 2022. In this period the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 0.53%. This is an average return of 0.09% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for PowerShares QQQ Trust, our last headline reads, Green Day on Tuesday for PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF after gaining 0.11%. The PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF price gained 0.11% on the last trading day, Tuesday, May 3, 2022, rising from $318.48 to $318.82. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the ETF fluctuated 1.64% from a day low at $315.98 to a day high of $321.17. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -7.92% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -38 million shares and in total, 79 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $25.17 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $408.71, and the lowest price was $309.65. Right now the price is 21.99%, or $89.89, below 52-week high at $408.71, which also is all-time high for the ETF. The ETF lies in the lower of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $308.25 is broken, it will firstly indicate a stronger fall rate. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -4.46% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -7.31% and 9.51%. The 12-month trend indicates a 1.15% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -0.29% and 29.14%. This equals a price between $317.89 and $411.72 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for PowerShares QQQ Trust. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, April 29, 2022, and so far it has risen 1.78%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $320.29 and $344.27. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 73 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for PowerShares QQQ Trust. PowerShares QQQ Trust finds support from accumulated volume at $318.48, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $5.19 between high and low, or 1.64%. For the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 3.13%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for PowerShares QQQ Trust. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. PowerShares QQQ Trust currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.74. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, PowerShares QQQ Trust meets first resistance at $323.35. If you do not hold PowerShares QQQ Trust shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, PowerShares QQQ Trust finds first level of support at $318.48, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF a buy? PowerShares QQQ Trust holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Wednesday 4th, we expect PowerShares QQQ Trust to open down -16 and start trading at $318.66. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stand the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.